I'm Dean Wilson, Atchafalaya Basin keeper, and I work protecting the Atchafalaya Basin for future generations. The two main species of trees here in the swamp is going to be tupelo and cypress. Both cypress have narrow leaves like feathers. They're conifers like pines, but they're deciduous conifers, meaning it's one of the very few conifer species that lose the leaves in the wintertime. And they're related to the sequoias and the redwoods, so they grow very, very large. There's lots of birds that come from the tropics. They're called neotropical migrants, and nearly the entire eastern population of those birds will come through Louisiana. These are considered the most productive wetlands in the entire world, meaning that if you get an acre of this swamp, you will have more pounds of fish and crawfish than any other wetland in the world. I've worked with the Atchafalaya Basin keepers since 2004. I used to be a commercial fisherman, and in the year 2000 they started logging our cypress trees to make mulch. So I become an activist trying to protect the trees. The logging was illegal. The roads that they need to make for heavy equipment to go to the trees, to get to the trees, need permits, and they weren't getting any permits. By the year 2008, we managed to stop most of the logging in coastal Louisiana. There is not any logging going on today anywhere in coastal Louisiana of cypress. The biggest threat to the swamps in the Atchafalaya Basin is sediments. It makes no difference whether you drive a truck or trucks and fill it with dirt, or the river brings the dirt. The fact is, once they become uplands, the swamps ain't there no more. They're gone forever. Because of sedimentation, we lost 3/4 of all the wetlands. This is part of the Mississippi Delta. Mississippi River used to be called North American Amazon. And every year, in the spring, it will flood 24 million acres of forest. So it used to be a time you could have gone with a boat from here all the way to Missouri without leaving the forest. And that's a thing of the past. Today you can drive through it. It's mainly farms and towns for hundreds and hundreds of miles.